In this video, we're going to walk through resetting our saved network settings and connections on an iPhone using iOS 16. To get started, open the Settings app on your device. As of right now, I'm updated to iOS 16 like I said, so as long as you're up to date, then finding these settings are going to be the same. Scroll down a little bit inside of your settings and then select General. Inside of General, head down to the bottom of the page and you'll see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose that. On the Transfer or Reset page, tap Reset at the bottom. It'll then pop up another menu that you can choose from. Apple has given us way more control on what we can reset now with the newer releases. The reason that you'd want to reset your network settings is maybe you're having Wi-Fi issues, Bluetooth connection problems, or just random internet glitches. A network reset will wipe out all your settings without having to completely reset your iPhone. Do know though that it will delete all of your Wi-Fi network names and passwords, Bluetooth device connections, VPN settings if you use any, and some of the cellular network preferences if you manage any of that. But reconnecting to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices are all really you should be worried about, and those are simple enough to reconnect to. When you're ready, tap Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode if you're prompted, and then reset again to confirm. At that point, all of your network settings are going to be reset. And that's how you reset your network settings on an iPhone using iOS 16.